In this video, I'm going to show you how to use VEO3 to create AI videos. So basically, VEO3 is one of the latest AI video generators, and it will allow you to create high quality, super realistic videos straight from your computer. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser, and you need to type in VEO3 and press enter. Now click on this top website here, which is gemini.google.com, and this will take you over to the official VEO3 video page. Now click on subscriptions in the top navigation, and as you can see, we can actually get a 1-month free trial of this Google AI Pro. And basically, by signing up for this free trial, it's also going to allow us access to VEO3. So I'm just going to click on Get Google AI Pro, agree to the terms and conditions, and you can always cancel this after the 1-month free trial as well. So I'm just going to press subscribe. And once you've purchased this, you can just press go to Gemini Pro. So once you've done this, you can head back over to an internet browser, and we're going to type in Google Flow and press enter, and then click on this website here, labs.google.com. So you can then scroll down and select Create with Flow and click on Get Started, and go and sign in with that same Google account that we just signed up to VEO3 with. You can then press next and scroll down and press continue. Click on new project and click on the drop down arrow next to text to video, and there's basically a couple of options here. So click on the drop down arrow next to text to video, and what you can do is either describe the video that you want to create by using text, or you can select frames to video. So if you already have an image and you want to use that as inspiration for your video, then you can go and upload those images and you can describe how you want these images to come to life. Now I'm just going to keep it simple and select text to video. In the right hand side, click on the settings icon. Now you can see here each generation uses 10 credits, and if you click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, you'll be able to see how many credits you have left. So what we're going to do is just come back over to settings, and we're going to change outputs per prompt to 1, and that's going to conserve these credits here. Then click on drop down next to model, and at the moment VEO2 is selected. Now obviously we want to change this to VEO3. And now we can come down to the prompt and we can start creating our first video. So I'm going to start with something simple, and I'm going to type in create me a realistic video of a cat skateboarding. And I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And now you'll just need to wait while your video composes. So once your video is done, let's go and click the play button to see what we've just created. So that's what we have so far. And now what you can do is go and add to this scene. So if I click on the add to scene button, I can now go and create a subsequent video to this one. So I'm now going to type in after the first video of the cat skating, the cat is going to run into a scary dog, and then go and press enter. So now let's go and play this second video. As you can see, it's super realistic, and what you can do as well is click on arrange in the right hand side here, and you can go and rearrange these video clips if you want one to play before the other, for example. And you can basically use this tool to go and create video clips of up to 8 seconds in length, so you can go and produce short movies and things like that. And in order to go and download these videos, you can just click on the download button like so. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.